Hello बच्चों, let's see the question, and the question says that show that the solution zone of the following inequalities on the graph paper. 5x plus y is greater than equal to 10, x plus y is greater than equal to 6, x plus 4y is greater than equal to 12, x is greater than to 0 and y is greater than to 0. Find x and y for which 3x plus 2y is minimum subject to these inequalities. Use the graphical method. Okay, so key concept for this question is for optimal values are minimum or maximum value. Okay, we use method of LPP, linear programming problem. So basically this question belongs to linear programming problem, and we have to z is our 2y, that is minimum value. Okay, so our equations are, that is 5x plus y is greater than to 10, second is and equal to 6, and x plus 4y is greater than equal to 12 and x is greater than to 0. We have to plot these inequalities into the graph. So first we have to convert these inequalities into equation. So our inequalities become, first one is 5x plus y is equal to 10. Second is x plus y is equal to 6. And last one is x plus is equal to 12. Now we have to draw the table for plotting the graph. Okay, now put value of x and y. If we put y is equal to 0, x will be 2. And if we put x is equal to 0, y will be 10. Similarly, for question number 2, our table will be x and y. If we put x is equal to 0, y is 6. If we put y is equal to 0, x will be 6. Okay. And for the last equation, we have a table that is a x and that is a y. So if we put x is equal to 0, y is 3. And if we put y is equal to 0, x will be 12. Okay. Now let's plot the graph. Okay, so this is the graph of the given equation. So we have to find the feasible region. Okay, so these all are greater than to greater than greater than greater. So these are away from the origin. Origin होगा तो which part will be common? So this part will be common part for three equation. Okay, this part will be common part. So this part will be common part, or we can say feasible region for given three equation. And as we can say, this region is a unbounded region. Okay, this region is a unbounded region. So first we have the minimum value. So for minimum value, first we have to find corner point. So first corner point, second corner point, third corner point and fourth corner point. सो फर्स्ट कॉर्नर पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमारे पास है. सेकंड कॉर्नर पॉइंट कैसे निकालेंगे हम? दिस इज द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ L2 एंड L1. सो दिस विल बी वी हैव intersection of L2 and L1 will be 1,5. Similarly, this one is the next common intersection point of a L2 and L3, and that will be we have 4,2. So we have basically here 4 common point: A, B, C, D. These are corner point. Okay, this will be D. So let's find which one gives minimum value. So here we corner points, and here we have, that is our minimum value for Z. Z is equal to 3x plus 2y. Okay, so first corner point A, B, C, D. So first corner point we have here, that is 0, 10, 1, 5. Third one is 2, 4, 12, 0. Okay, so for A, our maximum value will be 16. So for A, our minimum value Z is equal to we have 20. Okay, for second, Z is equal to we have 13. Next one we have here, that is 16, and last one for minimum value we have here, that is 36. So which one will be minimum value? 13 will be our minimum value. Okay, but okay, but in this question we have given here unbounded reason. ओके, मैक्सिमम होता तो अनबाउंडेड रीजन के लिए मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या होती है हमारी, इन्फिनिटी नंबर होती है, लेकिन मिनिमम है, तो मिनिमम है तो यहाँ पे हमको मिनिमम फाइंड करना है अनबाउंडेड रीजन के लिए. सो एज द रीजन इज अनबाउंडेड वी कैन से z इज इक्वल टू 13 इज मिनिमम बिकॉज देयर माइट बी other points in a common region that make z even lesser. ओके, कितने पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं, अदर पॉइंट भी हो सकते हैं जो z को क्या कर सकते हैं, मिनिमम कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर so we need to check z is minimum or not. Okay, we need to check next z is minimum or not, or we can say lesser than 13 or not. So for this we can our minimum value here 3x plus 2y is less than 2. हम किसके इक्वल रखेंगे, is less than to 13. ओके, लेस देन टू 13 है मतलब लेस देन है. ओके, अभी जो भी क्या होता है हमारे पास जो भी लेस देन होता है किसी नंबर से तो वो किसकी तरफ जाती है, हमारी ओरिजिन की तरफ जाती है. ठीक है, जैसे 3 इक्वेशन थे तो क्या थे, ग्रेटर देन टू नंबर्स थे, ग्रेटर देन टू नंबर्स थे, ग्रेटर देन टू नंबर्स थे, तो ये क्या हो रहे थे, अवे फ्रॉम नॉर्मल, अवे फ्रॉम ओरिजिन हो रहे थे. लेकिन ये अभी मेरे पास इक्वेशन क्या है, दैट इज लेस देन टू 13. तो ये आपका जो ग्राफ बनेगा, ये जो शेडेड पार्ट होगा वो क्या होगा, टू द origin, टू द origin, तो कोई भी कॉमन पार्ट नहीं होगा इसमें. ओके, सो दिस ग्राफ विल बी टूवर्ड्स द origin साइड, सो दिस विल बी नॉट ओवरलैप. ओके, अगर मिनिमम वैल्यू कब होगी 13, जब ग्राफ, इसका ग्राफ क्या करेगा, गिवन जो हमने ग्राफ प्लॉट कर रखा है उसके ग्राफ को ओवरलैप करेगा, बट इसका ग्राफ ओवरलैप नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, सो इट विल नॉट ओवरलैप with the common reason or we can say feasible reason. ओके, तो अगर ओवरलैप करता तो 13 क्या होता है, मिनिमम वैल्यू नहीं होती, लेकिन ओवरलैप नहीं कर रहा है तो 13 क्या होगी, मिनिमम वैल्यू होगी. सो आवर मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ z is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. So that is our solution. So I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.